In this video, we will solve integral of 1 upon 1 minus cosine of 2 times x with respect to x by using simple trigonometry identities. Let I be equal to integration of 1 upon 1 minus cosine of 2 times x with respect to x. We know the famous identity for any angle x, cosine of 2 times x is equal to 1 minus 2 times square of sine of x. The video card appearing in the upper right corner contains the derivation of the identity. The link of the video is also given in the description section. So I replace cosine of 2 times x in above integrand with 1 minus 2 times square of sine of x. Removing the brackets gives us integral I is equal to integration of 1 upon 1 minus 1 plus 2 times square of sine of x with respect to x. 1 minus 1 is 0, so we are left with integration of 1 upon 2 times square of sine of x with respect to x. As half is a constant, so we can take out the constant half, and 1 upon square of sine of x is square of 1 upon sine of x, as 1 is square of 1. We know 1 upon sine of x is cosecant of x, so I is equal to half of integral of square of cosecant of x with respect to x. We know derivative of cotangent of x is equal to minus square of cosecant of x. The card appearing in the upper right corner of this video contains the link of the video how to find derivative of cotangent of x. The link of the video is also given in the description section. From above equation we can derive the fact that minus cotangent of x is the antiderivative of square of cosecant of x. So I is equal to minus half of cotangent of x plus capital C. Capital C is the arbitrary constant of indefinite integral. Never forget to add this constant. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to the video, or if you think I should make a video on any other topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.